This is Neptune Cook 2004.
There's that call out.
Watching the
Falcon 9 is in
rocket launch,
startup.
and
Waiting for the
I'm at school. Yeah, I am at school, but I'm not able to play because, well, basically I'm at school. So yeah, I'll be back with the 40-minute mark.
Starlink Falcon 9 LD is go for launch.
To the terminal count.
This is it. This is it right here.
Our Starlink satellites into orbit.
We have 20 seconds left in the racing relegation. We have 15 seconds.
15 seconds.
Is it my laptop? I got my pass with me.
10,
9,
8,
7, 8, 7, 8, 8. We have liftoff of the Falcon 9 Starlink satellites. It is going up, 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 and that means we'll be able to see it soon on enough later. Okay, I gotta have some good viewing right here. Okay, this has to be seen viewable. Normally you would see like a great beautiful view, but yeah.
At T plus 40 seconds, we've got a beautiful view of Falcon 9.
We got a rocket going up.
From pad 39A, Kennedy Space Center, carrying our
I can't see anything, but
satellites to orbit.
there it is, right here.
On the vehicle, the engines in preparation.
There is a rocket launch, guys. If you look right here.
Structural load that the vehicle sees
Oh my goodness.
through the short period.
Yep, there's a rocket launch. If you look up here.
And there's that call out that we pass through Max Q. Now, in about a minute, we'll have 3 events happening. That'll be main engine prep, or we call MECO, stage separation, and SES-1, which is second engine start 1. Now, MECO is where we shut down all 9 of those M1
Look at the orange light right here, if you look.
in preparation for stage separation.
Oh god, I can't see.
First stage separates from the second stage. First stage will start making its way. First stage will start making its way back to Earth for landing, while the second stage continues on its journey with
Yeah, if you look right here, you may probably see contour. Yep, there's contour right here. And there it is, the contour right here.
these Starlink satellites to orbit.
I see that rocket launch. I can see that.
Views on the screen.
That's a beautiful, beautiful rocket. If you look right here.
Seconds away from those 3 events. MECO, stage separation, and SES-1.
Did you see that rocket launch? No. You missed it. It was right here, the contours.
Is it that line?
Yeah, the white plume smoke. That is the rocket launch.
That's probably really cool.
Stage separation confirmed.
And stage separation confirmed for the Brewster. Well, that will be the end of that. And I hope I'll see you next time. Before that, this is the sign I just made for the agri science. And this is the plant that I call the peanuts. Well, basically, the sign says, do not step. Don't hit the peanuts. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching this, and hope I'll see you next time. Well, Winter Park High School, this is me signing off.